Assalamualaikum dear all, this is Rana Juyadaktar mjcommerce Multan. Today topic is very important, how you will search your entity name in USA Texas state. I mean when you will create your LLC, so first you will check your entity name is not available or available. So I mean you have the many names available, which one you desire and which one you want to put for the LLC entity name in USA Texas state. So very simple, you can find here in the Google. This is for the website available. You can click on that website, taxable entity search. So when you will click on that one, after that see you can check here for the tax ID. You don't have the entity name, which one you want to put your entity name on Texas state. So you can find here, for example I want to put for the heart store is one, so I will click that one. So check here, this name is available. So very simple, if that name is available you can change it. So second, how you will new one, so click on the that one new one. So you can click on heart, and no I put from the one heart store is one. I want to check this one. This business heart store one was not found, it means this one is not available. You can write your entity name heart store one. If you want to check more, so you can click here the reset, and you can click also here the Power Play LLC. So search, yes, Power Play LLC also available, which one I already create that LLC in the Texas state, so that name is available. So very simple, because the many viewers and many for our client, they want to know how to check your entity name in Texas state. So this is a very simple method. You can find your LLC entity name. And second, when you will create your LLC state, also there is option available, but this one is the for paid entity name check, they will charge $1. So I hope you can understand easily and you can find your entity name. So Allah Hafiz.